This is my bow hairstyle. It's so easy. You just put the bow in and voila, breakfast is served. I don't know. It's just that easy. It's like opening a box of donuts. But if you want, you can straighten your hair first. This bow has like the clip on a weird side because I like to clip it on the side of my hair that's super thick because both my sides of my hair aren't that's the equal amount of hair. But yeah, so that's how it is. If you want to straighten your hair first, I just use this Chi. It gets super hot. It goes up to 400. I don't know how new of a straightener it is, but I mean, I received it at a promo thing. I'm just turning the ends under a little bit because it looks fuller that way. And yeah, I use my claw clip to section my hair. So it holds like way more hair further back in the head. So I like that a lot. And I'm only sectioning the hair into halves because this iron is just a dream. And this is their shine spray that I'm using on the ends just so that I can get the brush through the hair because my hair gets very dry. Um, Yeah, I'm using the Mason Pearson. It just glides right through the hair. That was the cheese spray. That's what the bottle looks like. It's a shine spray. And this